Hope someone's home. Oh.
Hi, Evan.
Oh, hi, Angela.
Welcome to Villa Bellissima.
It's great to be here.
We like to receive our guests with a margarita. Would you like one?
I would love one.
Gracias, Lupita.
Gracias, Lupita.
Salud.
Salud. Salt down the rim just the way I like it. So refreshing.
We knew you were coming.
Well, I got to make a cheers to the rest of the home.
Want to check it out?
I do. You have an elevator?
Will you do the honors?
Use better. This is heaven.
It's beautiful.
This is heaven. I cannot get over this view. This is surreal. I'm just curious, where are we exactly?
Let me tell you, we're located in a private property in the popular Pedregal community, 5 to 10 minutes away from downtown. And you're right into the marina with bottomless and open, breathtaking views.
Feels like you are truly a part of the ocean.
That's part of Bellissima.
Oh.
It's nestled within the mountainous rocks, and it makes it such a magical place to be.
It feels like the artwork, the colors, the tiles, it leans into the beach seaside theme.
Each piece in here has its own place within the home. As you can see, the statues can point and look out to the ocean views and could go further out since we're located in the peninsula.
Is this a big centerpiece? The chandelier is gorgeous.
Check this out. Yeah, it's our chandelier, an original with the home, and it lights up at night.
How many guests can stay here?
For a total of 8 bedrooms and 11 bathrooms, we have 18 capacity, 2 kitchens as well, enough to cater and host up to 100 people. Every room in the home has its own ocean view front. As soon as you walk out to the patio and the terrace, you can just take this all in.
All 8 bedrooms.
All 8 bedrooms.
What are some of the special qualities of the primary bedroom?
You can open all the windows and have a great view to the oceans. It has a walk-in closet. It has this jacuzzi views, a standing shower.
Just looking around, there's so many places to relax.
Absolutely. It has a entertainment center, surround sound, Sonos system. State-of-the-art gym equipment, just if that's your touch. Both ocean views on both sides. If you want to go from one side of the home to the other and try 2 of the different infinity pools.
You said 2 infinity pools, huh?
2
I heard that correct.
Tell you what, Evan, why don't we refresh our margaritas and head over to the infinity pool?
Sounds like a plan.
Hey, Alex.
Hey, Angela. Hey, Evan. How are you?
What a day.
I'm glad to hear that. We can wait you to see the rest of our villas.
Truly, cheers to this top of the mountain masterpiece here at Villa Bellissima.
Salud.
Thank you.
Salud.
Salud.